welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing a product from Amazon. I did get an email and they asked if I would be willing to try out a product and review it for them. They did say that I was required to film a video. I just want to do that for you guys to kind of try it together. If I can get it open. Okay, so like I was saying, a company contacted me and just asked if I would be interested in trying a product and giving my honest review. I thought, yeah, sure, why not? So they submitted me the funds over to my PayPal. And I went ahead and ordered the product they're wanting me to try and review. I did see a lot of great reviews about the product. I have never tried it myself, so I thought I would just do that with you guys today. So the brand is called UYRIE, I believe. It's UYRIE. And this is a makeup travel bag. So when I think of a makeup travel bag, I think of something that is going to be very flat and compact. I have one that is a square, and when I recently went to Vegas, I did use that. But this has a different look to it. So this is what it looks like, the card that it came in with it. And these are the different colors. So this is what it looks like. And they have all kinds of pretty colors and styles and all of that. It does say that if you go onto their Facebook fan club, that you can get a 40% off of, I believe it's this item or maybe any Amazon item. It says they also have surprise giveaways, and then they also have where you can receive free newly launched products. Yeah, so the coupons are for the products themselves. So yeah, the Facebook name is going to be, they are on Instagram and Facebook. It's UYRIE, and then on their Instagram, it's UYRIE_official. And this wasn't bad priced at all. I'm going to go ahead and just quickly pull it up off my thing so I can explain to you how it describes it. And like I said, this was sent to me complimentary. I was not asked to do this video. I just wanted to do this video for you guys and share with you at the same time as I unbox it or open it. Okay, so it says it's a portable makeup toiletry cosmetic travel organizer bag. It's a large drawstring. They retail for $7.46. I believe with tax it was like $8.13 or something, because I am Prime, so you do get free delivery. It took just a day or so for me to get it. It wasn't long at all. They do have, like I said, an assortment of colors. The one that I picked today is described as the Vintage Gardenia. It looks like this. It's really pretty. Feels really nice quality. Feels really good. It's kind of like that material that you can wipe down if it gets dirty. It does come with a little pouch here that you can actually stick brushes in if you wanted. And it does open pretty nicely. It's a really pretty bag, actually. It looks like this. I mean, it gets fairly big. Very nice. Has a drawstring, obviously, like it says, to close the bag up. And then it also has this little attachable little pouch that you could put like your lipsticks in, you know, the smaller items, or maybe even if you have some jewelry that you're wanting, maybe some rings, earrings, something like that. You can put that in here as well. It has like a really, it doesn't smell bad at all. It has like a really nice smell, which is kind of funny, kind of perfumey, but not like an overpowering. It definitely doesn't smell plasticky or anything, so that's great. But we're just gonna see. Oh, and then the awesome thing too, you guys didn't get to see, but let me try to see if I can. I want to show you that inside the bag there's these little elastic things all around it inside. Let me see how many there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 elastic areas, like to place, like, you know, say I have a setting spray and I want to put that in one of those so it doesn't budge and move. So you put one of those in there. So I'm just trying to stick that in there real quick with you guys. And then it has on the other side, it has these little like mesh compartments that you can put stuff in there as well. Like I said, this does come undone, so you can put stuff in there. So we're just gonna try to pack this and see what it would be like if we were to put our makeup in here. So I'm gonna try to put this in here. That is my e.l.f. compact I just used. I'm gonna stick my powder in one of these slots, my concealer, my brow pencil obviously, and my mascara. I'm gonna stick those in a slot and see how that does. Maybe my makeup wipes right here. It's pretty neat. And then I'm going to stick in here just a few little items like a brow gel. See what that's like. Maybe this eyeshadow glitter. And then a primer. And then let's go ahead and do this pencil here, which is for the brows. Got that put in there. And then I'm just going to clip this back in here. I mean, this bag can definitely fit a lot of stuff. I have quite a bit in here, as you can see. Like, I don't know if you guys, can you see that? And there's still like a ton of room. So once you drawstring it, so say this was all that I was bringing, you drawstring it and it looks like this, like a little sack, which is really, really nice. So far, I'm pretty impressed. I do think this is a very cool concept. I think that you can definitely, it doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. It feels like great quality. And then this little pouch here for the brushes as well would just go right in here. Let's see how many brushes we can actually fit in here. Probably wouldn't be able to fit like so many face brushes, but at least your eye brushes, we can get quite a bit. Let's see. I'm really excited that they asked me because this is really cool, honestly. So I was able to get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 eye brushes in there. So you probably could get like some face brushes as well. So I got all those in there. Stick those in here and it just fits perfectly in there. Yeah, so I'm super excited, guys. I'm really happy that I got the opportunity to try this. I'm going to continue trying it. I'm not going anywhere on vacation anytime soon, but I am planning to go in December after Christmas. It is my anniversary, and we usually like to take our kids somewhere during the month of December for like traveling. Usually we go back home or whatever, or you know, somewhere. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be trying it out for sure, and that way when I go on vacation and at that time, I will definitely do another video showing you and giving you guys my opinion and if I think that it really is great. I know that's time away from now, but this was basically solely just a first impressions with you guys to see what it's like and, you know, to kind of look at the product in general. Like I said, it's very, very affordable. So I would definitely, if you're going to be traveling anytime soon, I would say give it a try. It's under $8, or with tax, it's about $8.13, like I said. But so far, my first impressions, I think that it's definitely going to be a great thing to have. And it definitely does fit a lot of product. And usually when I go on vacation, I do overly pack. I pack way excessive. And then when you're needing to store it, it just folds down like this, very easy. Like I said, it feels nice. It feels like great quality. Doesn't feel cheap or anything. It doesn't smell like plastic or anything like that, chemically. But yeah, that's just my first impressions of this. Again, the brand is UYRIE, and it was off of Amazon. If you do have Facebook, which I do not, unfortunately, you could get a coupon for 40% off if you visit their Facebook page, and you can get the coupon. So yeah, I'm glad that I was able to share this with you guys. Go definitely check them out. And see if maybe you'd like to give one a try, especially if you're going to be traveling here shortly. And as I stated, I was not asked to make this video. I just wanted to do it with you guys for myself to also just get my first impressions, and I thought it would be fun to share that with you guys and see if you guys were interested in something like this. But yeah, this is going to complete this video. If you've tried anything like this, let me know down in the comments below. And if you are enjoying it, what your thoughts are on it. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe and join our little group here just from me. But yeah, I thank you guys so much. This is going to complete this video. Definitely go take a look at these on Amazon. But this is going to complete this video for now, and until the next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.